Bob has a lot of BNB locked in some protocols and fears the market will crash while he currently has no control over his fund. He wants to short the BNB to negate some of the market effects and limit the risk and exposure of his investment. So he goes to the Derivable site and opens the application. He sees that the current price of the BNB is 328.92 BUSD. Open the swap tab and select the input token. In this demo, the CakeLP token is optimal for this transaction, but in the final product, any token can be used as input here, including BNB, WBNB, BUSD, or any other fungible token. To short BNB with the highest leverage, Bob chooses the BNB to the -16th token for the maximum leverage of -14.7. Then he proceeds to swap using exactly 1 CakeLP. The BNB to the -16th amount received is estimated close to 1606 tokens or $49.38. The transaction is confirmed and the UI shows the wallet history. Right now, if he decides to swap all of his BNB to the -16th to CakeLP, he will get almost 1 CakeLP back. A day after, he goes back to Derivable and sees that the price of WBNB is 320.07 BUSD. Open the swap tab and try to convert all of his BNB to the -16th to CakeLP, and he will get 1.556 CakeLP, or $75.84. The BNB price changed from 328.92 to 320.07, which is -2.69%. The BNB to the -16th value changed from $49.38 to $75.84, which is plus 53.58%. So the leverage rate is 20 times. This time Bob succeeded with his short position and achieve his goal of hedging against the market to protect his investment. What happens if the market goes up instead of going down when he is holding a short position? When the BNB price is 312.25 BUSD, if he opens a BNB to the -16th position with 1 CakeLP, or $47.88. When the BNB price goes up to 328.79 BUSD, that same amount of BNB to the -16th will now be worth only 0.425 CakeLP or $20.98. The BNB price changed from $312.25 to $328.79, which is plus 5.3%. The BNB to the -16th value changed from $47.88 to $20.98, which is minus 56.2%. So the leverage rate is 10.6 times. This time, Bob lost value in his short position. But his intention is hedging his BNB portfolio to reduce market risk, so his total investment would still increase following the BNB price. Unlike Bob, Alice just wants to hold her coin for a long time. She heard that Derivable can help her gain more exposure to an asset while holding it indefinitely. When the BNB price is $307.55, she uses the Exposure tab to open a $23.91 worth position with minus 9.8 times leverage, which is a mistake since she wants to long, not short the token. To correct her mistake and add more value to the position, she performs another transaction which results in a $47.82 worth position with 3.14 times leverage. Now she can hold this position for a long time instead of the BNB token. After a while, when the BNB price is $319.59, which increased by 3.9%, Alice's position is now worth $53.84, which increased by 12.6%. So with Derivable, Alice can gain a long-term leveraged exposure of 3.2 times for her asset.